CD in a second. First of all, what does hi'ikua mean?
Hi'ikua literally means to carry on your back, but we chose the name more for its metaphorical meaning, which represents carrying your ancestors with you. And it's also the place where our ancestors are, is in Hi'ikua.
Yep. Oh. Name of the CD is what?
It's Aiai Hi'ialo. And that's it's kind of referring to the name of our group, Hi'ikua, that all of the things that we carry from our past are here in our future.
Culturally, a culture cannot become stagnant. Otherwise, it fails to live. You know, so there's a constant need for Hawaiian music creation. It's always good to play the old songs, but also create new, so that one day our ancestors will have something that, you know, hopefully they preserve what we have as well.
Should be at work right now, and isn't. So are we, like, is this going to bust you, or are you okay? Or?
No, I just have to say thanks to them for Heidi and Cook for letting me stay home today.
Yeah, thanks Heidi and Cook.
Boss.
We appreciate it. It'd be hard without our backup bassist.
What do you do, sheet metal? Sheet metal over there.
Makes more in 1 hour than we make in a year.
There you go.
Actually, you other two are in school right now, right?
That's right. Both Kalehua and I are currently working on our PhDs in education, curriculum studies, and instruction. Kalehua's, thank you. Kalehua is much further along than I am. He's actually in the dissertation writing process. Yeah. And I'm just finishing the coursework, so I'll be there soon. But it's a song that speaks about mixing poi. And for those of you that are only listening, when you hear this part, that's when I'm mixing the poi. So the song goes something like this. Mahalo, thank you.
Hi'ikua! We'll be right back. It's Perry on the left.
And Price on the right.